got a little workshop going on here. Got the boys out here learning how to solder.
We got this high ready roof and get on.
That's it.
I'm young.
That's it. We gotta create these guys, but they don't just show up.
Sure, they'll be on iron.
Uh-huh. That's it. Scribe them up. Don't bend your bend too far at once. You end up stretching the copper and it doesn't unstretch. So everybody on the video knows we are using cheap, soft copper here, so please forgive the workmanship a little. But all I got otherwise is 20-ounce cold Revere, and I ain't trying to spend that kind of money on training. Gage, how old are you?
13.
13. Dominic, how old are you?
12.
Alright. Goomba, how are you, man?
25.
Alright then.
Oh yeah.
Ain't never too old to learn.
Never too
Never.
old.
Never.
Oh, yeah.
Alright.
Thanks.
Alright. That's right. What happened is we got Goomba on the job doing most of the heavy things, because he's the bull on the crew here, so unfortunately he hasn't had too much chance to do things like this, but first shot he got it just right. So obviously being around it is very beneficial. Dominic, what you doing, man? There you go. So if you locked them too tight and you stretched it, but slide them together, yeah, use the two coppers to open each other up. Like I say, this soft copper and this is sloppy no matter what, but just don't close it all the way, right? Yeah, you got it, Gage. There you go. There's the first joint right here. Hey, Chopper, you ain't soldering, boy? What happened to you? You ain't soldering? Okay, solder your cleanest, flattest side. How's that other side look? Then flip. This one kind of dirty. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Get the flux. Alright, Gage, you ready first? Go for it, man. Gonna be pass that brush down here, please. Now, really all we use is hand irons. I only use the settling setup in the shop once in a while, but fortunately the guys are out on the job right now with the hand irons, so this is how we learn. And just so y'all know, man, the hand irons are 10 times easier. So if you get this right, you could definitely get them right. You prefer like sideways like you did before? And how you spin it?
Yeah, there you go.
Alright, set it still and let it heat up a little. There you go. Take your time, slow down a little. There you go. When you use your copper to hold the piece, take it past your flux because you're sticking it because your copper's hot. See what you did? Hold it over here. There you go. It won't stick over there. It don't matter for right now, but if you was on the job, it would matter. You got a lot of solder in there. You probably could just pull that out what you got there. Yeah, there you go. Look at that. Boom. Boom. That's it. Pretty. That's it. Use this to clean it up if you want.
Hey, cool, bro.
Yeah, it's pretty hot. You want to do it sideways or you like it better like that?
I like it like this.
Alright. Remember, yeah, hold your copper just how you are now. Yeah. Let it heat up a little. Okay. There you go. Don't worry about that drip. Look at it suck back in. Look at that, Don. Look at that. That's what's up.
Time seeing that.
There you go. Slowly. Now you know what's happening. Slowly. Following the heat and the flux and drawing right inside. Pull it back. Don't be afraid to drag what you got. There you go. Oh, oh, that was way too much. Just drag what you got. Yep, hold it. Slow. Go ahead, pull what you got. Yep. Now you're off track. Nope, bring it back into your joint. There you go. You can feel when you're on that joint. It came off. There you go. You don't need no more. For what you got. There you go. That's good. Now once you start buying your own solder, I feel like you'd use a lot less. Yeah. Especially here in the Bahamas, man, you're looking at about 15 bucks a bar right there. So yeah, I mean you guys only need about maybe a quarter of what you used, but this is great for training. This is great. See how it goes down here.
Yeah, I think these two.
Yeah, you got this, Goomba. Don't worry about pushing down on it. There you go. It's looking good, Goomba. You got just see Guys, look see how Goomba's getting away with a lot less solder?
Yeah.
Your excess solder is outside the joint. You really want to get it inside the joint. So it really is unnecessary, but boy, Goomba here doing pretty good.
That's a solid.
Why, Goomba here's working on a pay raise, man. I don't know if I like that. This was supposed to be about the kids. Goomba's over here trying to take more money, man. Boy, I don't know what happened. Boy, Gage, he's year 2 here?
Yeah.
Boy, this your first, let me see you represent your work here, man. This your first one? This your second one?
Yep.
First and second time ever in your life, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Man, that's some good stuff, guys. Good stuff. A lot of grown-ups have a hard time getting this stuff right.
This is my first and this one's my second.
Yeah?
Yep.
Which one's the first?
This one?
Well, I think your first one turned out perfect, bro.
Yeah, it did.
You better keep that pinned up on your wall, man.
Yeah.
This happened to be
Second
my
one,
first.
you learned something, you know?
Oh yeah.
This your first here,
Oh
Goom?
yeah, this might happen to be my first. This might happen to be my second right there.
Well, I wish I was excited, but I know all of a sudden I gotta pay you more, man. That's some good work, Goomba.
Yeah,
Straight up, I could put you on soldering right away.
Yeah,
Look at that. Gets it first time. Y'all think you learned something today?
Yeah.
That's good, man. All it takes now is practice. Get better and better.
Yep.
It's the fundamentals. We're trying to suck solder into the joint, sweat the joint. It's permanent. This is the future right here, guys. Y'all the future. Real roofing. That's what it is. What else is it? Permanent craftsmanship. Only for the discerning few. It's real roofing, man. We out. We create ours.